Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to pick a good CPA offer. Now this may sound self-explanatory and you may think that it's really easy to pick an offer, but some people get in the mindset that they can just promote anything to anyone and it's going to convert, and then they question themselves when they don't make a lot of money because the offer's not converting. So like usual, if you've watched all of my other videos or even one, then you're going to know that I'm with Maxbounty. You can be with a network of your choice, but if you want to sign up to Maxbounty, the link is below. Now I'm just going to search for a campaign here, and I actually have some examples up here, but I'm just going to get to them in a second. Now one thing to consider when you're picking an offer is the EPC. Now the EPC basically means your earnings per click. So if we take a simple one here, it's $2.50 per lead, and each person is worth 25 cents according to this EPC. So on average it's going to take us 10 people to get a conversion of $2.50. Now EPCs are great and you can kind of judge a campaign on the EPC and kind of get a feel for it, but some offers are new and they don't have an EPC, and some offers have really bad EPCs because people just spam really bad traffic to it, so it's going to take the EPC down. So while the EPC is important, you need to look at a couple of other factors before you decide if you're going to run the offer. Okay, so I have some examples up here of some good and some bad campaigns. Now please note this is all my opinion. If you agree or disagree with me, please put it in the comment below and I'll reply to you. Okay, so landing page number 1 is Divine Eats, and it's promoting a free recipe book. So if you have a cooking demographic, people that like to cook at home, this will be a perfect book for you to promote. As you can see, it has a nice background of what looks like spaghetti bolognese with a rectangle shape and then the graphic on top. Now just looking at it from a visual point of view, it looks really nice and clean. It pretty much says what it is, and it's a free recipe book, and you have to click here for your free book and enter your email. Now another reason this offer is really great is because there's not just the email submit, there's actually a Facebook login page. So all people have to do is click that, and if they're already logged into Facebook on the computer, it's just going to log them in automatically and you're going to get a conversion within a second. This is a great offer to promote if you've got the right traffic. Okay, so here is another Visa gift card email submit. This one is actually a Boom Beach email submit, which is a game on the App Store, I do believe. I've never played it, but I know it's something like Clash of Clans. So as you can see, yet again, it looks nice, it looks clean, the graphic looks great. The email submit is above the fold, we don't have to scroll down to see the email submit, and it's labelled nicely in steps. It tells us exactly what we're going to be getting. We're going to load up on diamonds, whatever they are, and to do that we need to enter our email. So if people want to get diamonds, they might as well give it a try. They just got to enter their email, click submit, and you're going to get a conversion, which is fair enough. Now the next product here is actually a hair product, and you're going to get commission when someone buys it. Now this is a great example of an amazing landing page for several reasons. Just looking at the page, it looks really nice, really pleasing. The colours contrast well, the product stands out, and it shows you really clearly what the product does with a before and after shot. But you can tell what it is without even scrolling down and reading it. It says here you can get your free trial bottle today with an arrow pointing to get my package, and as you can see, to get your package it's pretty self-explanatory, and you can tell right from looking at it that you've just got to fill this out here. Now another great feature about this landing page is, you may have noticed up here, it's got a warning: due to extremely high TV demand there's a limited supply, and it's actually got a countdown. So people are going to see this, they're going to scroll down, and they're going to remember about this countdown and be enticed to make a quick decision. So this is going to convert well, as you scroll down this page and it just looks great throughout, and there's a lot of consistency in this offer. Okay, so now on to my bad examples. Now I also have, to make it even, 2 email submits and 1 beauty product. So here is the first really bad offer. Now believe it or not, I didn't exactly choose this because it looked really ugly. I chose this because of the unrealisticness of the offer. Okay, so for starters, it doesn't even have a capital letter. Receive a $500 Visa gift card when you complete our short survey. Now if you're asking me, a short survey for a $500 just does not add up really. People are already wary of what they put their email in and what they click on. If they come to this page, they're going to skip straight off because this does not seem reasonable at all. And also, on the preview page, it had the girl pointing to the email form like that. but obviously on my screen it's a different dimension and she's pointing somewhere else, so that's a bad sign. She's going to be pointing in different places depending on what dimension screen you have. Okay, so bad offer example number 2. Get an NBA jersey. Doesn't really tell us much information. It doesn't really entice us, it's just an NBA jersey. It just looks bad quality overall, and I don't know why someone will be foolish enough to put their email into this. I really do not. As you can see, it's just like bad background, bad text, and if you look around here you can see like white bits of where the jersey's been cropped out. It just does not look great at all. And also by the email box here, it's just a plain colour with 2 boxes. It looks like it's been made in 15 minutes. Okay, and finally we have our last beauty product. Now, I honestly couldn't believe this when I clicked on it. I'm not bashing any of the offers or anything, but I don't know how this will convert anywhere. Okay, so this is a beauty product, and you're probably thinking, well, what is it? And I don't have a clue, because I don't want to read all of this text, to get to the bottom here, still text, to get to the bottom here to add it to cart. So if you're going to promote this offer, in my opinion, you are crazy. If you compare this beauty product to this one, you can see the difference straight away. This one is way more enticing. This one I have to read chunks of text to even find out what it is. It's just not great. There's no use of graphics or anything, and it just looks really outdated. Plus I have to scroll all the way down here to even get the chance to even think about buying it. So this is not going to convert well at all. People are just going to give up reading it halfway through. Okay, so there were my opinions on how to choose a good offer. Obviously this is going to work on all CPA networks. I'm using Maxbounty. You can sign up in the description. If you've got any comments or questions or anything you want to know that you think I could help with, put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.